Jai Shri Radhe Krishna, welcome to day 15, week 3. Let's start this beautiful day with a prayer. Dear Lord, grant me the serenity to calm my anxious mind, embracing the wisdom that comes with age. May I release the burden of perfection and be gentle with myself. Bless me with strength of pranayama to breathe in tranquility and exhale negativity. In meditation, let me find peace, and may your divine light dispel the shadows of worry. Bless all beings with harmony and guide us on the path of self-compassion. Amen. Let's proceed for our meditation practice. From today, we'll be starting with the gazing meditation, and we will be gazing at our nose. So we need to keep our eyes open and we have to focus all our attention to the tip of our nose. We need to gaze at the tip of our nose. If your eyes start to hurt, just close them for a few seconds, then again open them and then again start gazing at the tip of your nose. Do it for as much time as possible. And relax. Let's start with our pranayama practice. Today we'll be doing bird pranayama 10 to 12 repetitions. Inhale, raise your hands up and exhale gently as you bring your hands down. In this manner, let's do the 10 to 12 repetitions of this pranayama. Inhale, take your hands up and exhale, gently bring your hands down. Be gentle with yourself. Keep reminding yourself you are worthy of each and every happiness. Gently inhale and more gently exhale. Very good. Let's get ready for the Brahmari Pranayam. Take the Shanmukhi Mudra sitting in a comfortable position. Shanmukhi Mudra, as you can see. You can also check my other videos of week 1 in which I have explained this mudra, Shanmukhi Mudra. From your thumb, you gently need to close the tragus of your ears and you need to inhale and you need to exhale with a humming bee sound. Now let's do 9 to 12 repetitions of this beautiful pranayama. You can bring your hands down if your hands start to pain like this. And let's start doing 9 to 12 repetitions. Keep reminding yourself you are brave enough to deal with all your situations, all your adversities, and all the mental traumas you're facing. You are just relaxing your mind, taking the first step towards your well being. And relax. Gently rub your palms. Generate the heat. Cup your hands over your eyes. And with a beautiful bright smile, open your eyes. Gratitude, gratitude, and gratitude. Namaste to all, and thank you for attending today's session.